Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's November 12th, 2010. Well, excitement around this morning. We've got news out of China that they're thinking of raising interest rates, and that's got the world investor in a very nervous state here this morning. And everything is sharply lower. Corn anywhere from 10 to 12 lower. Soybeans 30 to 35 lower here this morning. And wheat anywhere from 10 to 15 lower here. So the news is profit taking, I guess is the easiest way to describe it, but caused by outside markets. The G20 meeting communiques that came out overnight really didn't tell us anything. It looks like there was a lot to talk about, but no real solutions. The Obama plan on trade balance and trade surplus got rejected. Also, there's concern in Europe with the sovereign debt of Ireland and Portugal, and then also Greece is coming back into the picture as their second payment is due, and they're going, the UK and Germany going to assess the situation there if they want to make the second payment to Greece to help them through their financial crisis. So a lot of outside influences here this morning. Not having a great effect on the dollar, however. It's down only 26 points after a strong close yesterday. Crude oil, however, is down 145, and gold down $15.40 as we speak. We did get the USDA's export sales numbers out this morning. Corn 629 on total exports, a little higher than what the trade was expecting. Soybeans 930 at the lower end of trade expectations. Meal, however, was very strong, 408,000 tons. That's almost double of what the trade was expecting. And wheat 832,000 tons. Well above the high end of the range of 400 to 500. Other news, you did have South Korea buy some corn overnight, 165,000 tons. The soybean oil market has been the leader there the last few days. Yesterday, we seen the soybean oil market rally sharply on concern over world supplies and overall world demand. Not necessarily the U.S. supply, but world supplies caused bean oil prices to go sharply higher. Today, we've got the opposite happening. We're down sharply in the bean oil, which is causing pressure on soybean complex. The wheat market, we continue to worry about rain in the western hard red wheat area. They seem like we're still dry. Most areas got rain except for that far western Kansas, eastern Colorado area didn't get very much, and it looks like they're going to be missed here for a few more days. So that is a concern and could be a little bit of a supporting factor. The livestock markets, cattle trade is still relatively inactive in most areas. Traded some cattle at 98, very few. We're waiting to move these cattle at higher money here. But with the weakness that we've seen in the futures market this morning, may temper the attitude of the feedlots and allow them to sell cattle or willing to sell cattle at lower money. Cutout values were lower in the beef yesterday. Choice down 27, select down 84. Product is still a concern. We need to work through this supply. We are fighting retail counter space right now where turkeys and poultry is taking the spotlight as we go into Thanksgiving holiday. But looks like a lot of the retailers are building some inventories here for post-Thanksgiving holiday featuring, and that could support us there. Pork complex cutout values down 56. That's been like a yo-yo here in the cutout area. Cash markets, however, staying fairly firm. The cash hog market, with the huge supplies that we seen last week come to slaughter, we think we've probably have peaked our total weekly slaughter for the season, and we should see some reduction there now. As long as we can stay current and keep these supplies moving on the retail end, we could see some support come into this pork complex. We do have the markets call lower here this morning, and a lot of that is because overall macro selling across the commodity sector here today. Stay with Allendale. We'll keep you informed as best we can. You can call us here at 800-262-7538. Try to answer any questions that you might have. And then we wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.